On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. What is going on, everybody? Happy Friday, Frisky Friday. We got a whole plethora of news coming our way. Tensor dying, Bitcoin flying. I don't know. I got nothing else. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you've had a beautiful trading week. Let's jump into the charts. Let's jump into the chat. Good morning, everybody. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I don't know. Someone sold a lot of Tensor. It got shat on. That's all I see in Twitter right now. So here we are. Anybody own Tau? I own some Render, but that's about it. I don't know. Altcoins are, they're doomed. 37.7 up this week. Let's go, Jesse. Good job, bro. I wish I had those kind of numbers. I got rookie numbers, man. I'd be pumping out those rookie numbers. I maybe no, it's been a really good week for me too. My goodness gracious, Lord have mercy. It's been a good week. Slow and steady. That is the name of the game, isn't it? That is. Price action has not enticed me to increase size yet or anything like that. Here we are. All right. 22.7. 22.7, baby. Let's keep it going. I mean, the Discord's been on fire. I can't even explain it. I don't need to explain it. They'll explain it to you. I mean, the trades yesterday is so easy. Kyle's trade, my trade. I don't know. Sometimes it feels not fair to like the other communities. The gang is so strong, man. It's truly a privilege to serve and to hang out with you guys and all that stuff. As you can anticipate, this morning we're definitely looking to get into the news data here. Mr. Army Piper, gonna figure it all out, buddy. But yeah, I got exciting times. Big push up here, like very, very weird into data. Mm-hmm. All right, let's jump in the chat. What do you guys got to say? Thank you for congratulations on not being homeless. Thanks, guys. Yeah, we closed on our house yesterday, so pretty exciting stuff, man. Pretty wild. Am I supposed to show you guys pictures? I don't know. I think it's kind of like I can show you some quick pictures. There you go. That's where I'm taking a shit. Like, I mean, what am I supposed to do? There's some weird people out there, man. There's some weird people. It's a nice house, guys. It's not a shack. Okay, good to see you, Shunts, Simple Jack, Ghost of Odyssey. Good morning. I hope everyone in the Otter gang is kicking ass. Appreciate the knowledge you deliver us. Appreciate you being in the family, man. Thank you for being here, Mojo Jojo. Watching Masters highlights, defending champs. I'm watching the Masters too, man. It's some good golf so far. DeChambeau sucks. 4 over, man. What a horrible start for him. Hopefully he has a comeback today. Top of the morning, Lava Man Dusty. Good to see you, Vinny. How's it going, Lava Man? Congrats again on your new acquisitions. When do you move? I don't move for a couple months. We have a lease. We have a lease at this place from till August, so I'm not moving anytime soon. I'm too busy here helping the gang. So, plus I live like directly in the mountains, so we want to enjoy the summer in the mountains, right? We want to go on lots of hikes and stuff like that. So, gotta take advantage of it while we're in it. Shrian, what's going on? Joseph, good to see you. Hell yeah. Good to see you, man. Guten Morgen. A little bit of exhaustion up at the highs here. Rotation down. Obviously a very aggressive push out. We'll be looking VWAP, retest to previous highs. So we'll be looking here for potential continuation. We got the big news data coming out here, guys. So we got some news coming out, so that should be interesting. Yeah, what happened to BitTensor, man? It got shat on. Look at this thing. Whee! 0, baby. 0. Wild times, man. I mean, you think things haven't been rugged enough that they'd stop rugging, but you know, the rugs keep struggling and Steve ruggling all the way down, man. It's nasty. What's going on, Varney? B-Rad. Good morning, Curtis Hill, my man. How you doing? Alexander G. I'm still taking applications for anybody who wants to be Alexander G's husband. 6 foot 6 inches, 6 figures. Starting and checking once. Probably best to not be a day trader because most of them aren't profitable. Curtis Hill, Jojo, good to see you. Thank you for being here. Magic Mike, good morning. Good to see you. Steve Hickey, Dusty. Great interview on CNBC time. Uh-oh. Good morning, Jay. Do you know the Toronto French School? I was a student in the 90s. Very good memories of Toronto. Do you know which one Toronto French School? I went to extended French, so I went to Riverdale. It's funny. I went to Riverdale High School. Jones and Gerard. But it was like a extended French. It wasn't an immersion French school. Good to see you, Trace. Good to see you, Daniel. Philly Skills. Wagwan. Happy Friday, everybody. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. Hoto, my man. How you doing? I think I sent you that indicator. You should be good to go. Army Piper, my brother. How you doing? God bless you, man. Sorry you didn't buy a house in Texas. Maybe that'll be the next house. Who knows, man? I think if I was going to buy another property, it'd be like in South America or something like that. Somewhere so I can hide from Canada. But, you know, we're not there yet. We still got a little bit of hope left in Canada. We'll see. What's going on from Colorado? Good to see you, man. Charles, Shunts, Roth Trader. I really want to go to Colorado. 8 Breath, Jesse, Mr. Spawn, how you doing? Ryan Smith, Dina, good to see you. Dynamite, I called you Dina. You're so called Dina from now on. Oh, man. Ero, what's going on, man? V Monitor, God bless you, man. Thank you for being here. Wayne C. Jesse Haluk, my man. I'm the only one who says Jesse's name correctly, right, Jesse? Dusty Bruce, good to see you guys. Okay, rotation down right now, coming into news data. Patience here, guys. I mean, just sell the otter, guys. You just see the otter symbol, you just press sell, and you make money. Level given in advance yesterday. I mean, do we have to tell them about the no drawdown long trade we took yesterday? Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. We literally caught the tip right here. Live, no delay. That's the only thing I ask of the Discord is to tell the truth. This thing came down. We were waiting and 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 boom. And we went long and we made bank, baby. All in the Discord. Awesome times, man. So good. So good. What a trade. Everybody printed some dollars, man. Is that how am I supposed to say dollar bills? Yeah. Today's the last day for the sale, by the way. You don't have to join. You can sit there and figure it out yourself. I believe in you. Last day. Last day, and then you won't see any sale like this again. You'll see 1 month off, but not for life. This is for life. Best Discord in all of crypto. Join now or forever hold your peace. That's it. That's all I'm going to say today on that. Bruce, what's going on? No, I'll probably say it again later on, but hell yeah. Can you play the after Bitcoin, the pink box one? We can play the pink box one. We should probably play the pink box one leading into the data. But it's a bit early right now. I don't think the OGs want to hear the pink box song, right? Do you want to hear it? Auto gang. Turn the lights down low. Get that sharp. Oh, too far? I'm gonna upload. I'm gonna ask Dave, but I'm gonna upload like a playlist on the channel so that you guys can pump it all day long. All right, not pump it as in rude pump it, but like pump the songs. I didn't mean that. You've had an excellent week, almost all during the stream this week. Thank you. Good job, Spawn. Good job, man. I love seeing you guys win. You guys know that. JR, good to see you, bro. How you doing? Terry with the strawberries, man. Good morning, TNB Willa, Larva Man. Good morning. Thank you for being here. You guys are great, man. Thank you guys for showing up and always saying good morning. You guys don't know how much I appreciate that, man. It's trading's lonely. It's very lonely. But it's you versus you. It's you versus you, disciplined traders, right? That's what we all try to strive to be. I have moments where I'm not even disciplined, right? So, I try to lead by example, but it's hard sometimes where you just want to make that money back, right? But we have things for that. Nice short on the house. Yeah, man. I mean, for me, a house is not an asset. It's not something I'm looking to. I buy stocks. I buy long-term holds. I have investments. That's totally different. A house is I feel it's for my family, right? It's not, hopefully it doesn't go down in value, but it naturally will. It won't outperform inflation. That's just unrealistic, right? Inflation's real, man. The house will go up, but inflation, things cost more. So it's not, every man should have his castle is something I like. Every man should have his castle. So, why would I piss? Like right now, I pay extortionate rent. I don't even want to tell you how much I pay in rent right now. Why wouldn't I put that towards something that's, going to build value, hold value over time? Some sort of value. Not necessarily an appreciating asset, but an asset nonetheless. We'll see. Thanks, Captain. Jojo, V Monitor, good to see you guys. Right? Where I've bought Piper is there's potential for it to go up. It's a developing neighborhood. It's a good buy in this area. So obviously doing my research and everything like that. It's the right neighborhood. It's on one of the best quiet streets. It's near the parks. It's near the playgrounds, but it's far away enough that it's not disrupted by them. It's got a half basement, so you have bigger windows in the basement, which is cool. So there's a lot of good things about it. Top blast. Are we going to top blast? No, not right now. What is the best AI trading bot? I would say Minotaur right now, but there's a bunch of them. Are you still looking for the bigger retracement for the long trade? Yes. Good to see you, Jesse. God bless you, Jesse. Thank you for the 5, man. You don't need a super chat. God bless you, Jesse. Hopefully you're having a wonderful morning and having a beautiful week so far. Chantel, good to see you. Happy Friday, Chantel. Sam? We are still max buggery, yeah. That's why I haven't, typically, guys, I'm, right now I'm trading 200,000 position size, 100,000 position size. Normally I'm putting 800, 1.2 mil, but this, I ain't about to get tweeted on and then snapped for $4,000. That's my, slow and steady has been great, man. What do? We took profits, Monday? Monday. And we're 22,700. So it means this week, right? We've made 5, 6, 7, almost $8,000. Right? $8,000 week. US. Baby, let's go. Right? That's at least 11 Canadian. 8.7? Yeah, that's got to be 11 because 6 is 8. Right? That's a great week. Slow and steady, man. Slow and steady. Chantel, good to see you. Ryan Smith. Jesse for 11 months. God bless you, bro. He can't share his house. I'll be outside his window in his wanking chariot in no time. You're 16 from India? Welcome, man. I clicked the button that says for 18 years and older, but you know what? I used to sneak into those movies too back in the day. So welcome, bro. Welcome. Don't take me too seriously, man. I just talk a lot of shit and click buttons. So good morning, Jasper. Good morning, Mojo Jojo. Forces you to continue investing. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Something like that, yeah. I work with Minotaur, so Minotaur has done well. It handled that 10-10 event very well. Look at this thing pushing into news data here. This is interesting because we got inflation coming out right now. This is the important data coming out this week. Core inflation, inflation rate. What's your prediction, Army Piper? Are we going down or are we going up? We're definitely not going down. We're definitely not going down. But I think April's would be more shocking than March's. That's my thing. I don't think March's is going to be too freaky. Coming for the liquidity of the high here, SFP, bearish right now. Can this sweep? Can this sweep and dump here? Whew. That'd be it. Got this high here. Let me just mark this out so it's marked. Okay, 382 aggressive bounce continuation push here. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long, like Donkey Kong. Good job, everybody. Good job. I woke up to the pump. I'm like, oh, man. You guys are all ripping it. I think Dave Digital pressed buy or something like that, man. Let's go, baby. 1's in the chat. Good job, everybody. Roth, too. Good job. Profit locked. Good job, Sam. Goku as well. Bayer. Curtis Hill. Okay. Put a 2 in the chat. You could still be short. I shorted here last night. Boo, baby, baby. Oh, baby, on this big SFP. Oh, baby, baby. Trade given in advance. Kyle Chisholmore, my man. My man. Good friend and trader in our channel and his own channel. He's a great dude, man. I love Kyle. Live trading yesterday. We took the long, we took the shorts. I mean, it's just been a print fest in the Otter gang. Incredible. Oof, there's that SFP. I warned you, you top blasters. I see you out there, you top blasted, man. You top blasted. You get too excited on big candles, man. Big candle energy. I see you. You got 5 minutes till news, guys. Why you really want to hold a trade right now? You guys are better humans than me. Give me that V-Vibe slap. I agree. Spawn, good to see you. ETH held. Size does matter. Position size does matter. I gotta. The one thing about Alberta, it's really dry. So you gotta have the lip chap and you gotta use moisturizer. Otherwise, you're gonna be a chafed mofo. And then you'll have me on here, and that's all you'll hear all stream. So don't hate on me putting on lip chap, okay? Otherwise, you'll get all stream long, and you guys would not like that. You guys would just be like, you are gross. Buy level Solana bouncing, continuation up. I mean, we gave the buy level down here on Solana as well. Pretty wild. There's no bids come in. And ETH holding. ETH out. What's interesting, guys, so the one thing I would like to bring to your attention, and you guys should be watching this, but, you know, I can watch it for you and tell you, but you guys should be watching this, that ETH is outperforming Bitcoin. Okay, as much as I think ETH is shit, it is outperforming Bitcoin. As we can see, ETH BTC, you can see it's making higher lows, okay? Very, very interesting in my opinion, okay? Why is this interesting? Because it's holding its ground, so which means that it's pretty much holding up the alt market, right? There's one thing, look at this. Everything else is in the negative. Solana's pretty close, but it's look at Solana, look at Near, right? You don't see the same. Look at Cardano. It is doing the opposite, right? But ETH, look at ETH, guys. You're telling me there's a chance, right? Something to watch. I'm just saying. Means that there's still defense coming in for the bottom here. So we'll see. Okay, big sweep down, coming down here into news data. We got 3 minutes, everybody, till news. This is going to be an interesting one. Did you guys short the SFP? Oof. Nice. NASDAQ. NASDAQ hasn't been that good to me lately. NASDAQ's been I wouldn't say, it's a bit of decoupling lately. Like, if it's doing the job, but it's not giving me the front run that I'm used to, right? You can see how the NASDAQ here is pumping while Bitcoin's flat. Yeah, I haven't liked it lately. It's been a very mixed bag for NASDAQ right now. See, this is good. This push right here, this is a good tell, but it's been a little bit off in my opinion lately, so we'll see. Anyways, nothing is perfect. But you got to notice when it's not working that well versus when it's bread and butter, right? Like, if you can recognize the difference between the correlation between the two assets, that's when you can really make money on it by front running Bitcoin with NASDAQ or vice versa. The way I use it is one will lead. So you'll have Bitcoin leading or you have NASDAQ leading. So if Bitcoin leads, right, you know that's going to pull NASDAQ in that direction. But if you have a tell on NASDAQ, then you can trade it on Bitcoin, right? So it's very valuable, especially because it's, sometimes Bitcoin gets treated like a tech stock, right? Sometimes it gets treated like gold, right? Like a commodity, store of value. Sometimes it's a risk on asset, right? Or a risk off asset, depending on what people are using it for, right? Like the Strait of Bitcoin or the Gay of Bitcoin, the Gay of Hormuz or the Strait of Hormuz. It's now the Strait of Bitcoin, right? So you see Bitcoin catching a bid naturally, right? But we'll see. Continuation down, retest, wick test here, continuation down. Great short, everybody. How's everybody's trading this week? Up, down, all around? Break even? You guys are all flaccid, eh? SPY better confluence now? Yeah, so the ES has been good lately. Yeah, I agree. You're up 171,000% or up 170,000. Size does matter. VWAP slap and go. Get one with some color in it so you look pretty, Mr. Otter. Here we go. Here we go. Pumping. Pumping. Dumping. Liquidity swept out of the highs. Inflation coming in below consensus. Below consensus. Break even. So inflation coming up though. So inflation up almost 1% here year over year. That's yes, nasty. That's nasty. With our dual mandate. Okay, core inflation's flat, basically. Core inflation's flat. Jeez. The Dacian is pumping. It's pumping, guys. We didn't get the slap. We got the liquidity grab here. Careful with longs. Golden pocket rejection up here. Damn. the violence. The violence is for real. NASDAQ likes this. Nope, maybe not. 3 drives up here. ES. What's the ES doing? Continuation. Continuation push. Go, go, go. Go, ya nambe pambe. Push, ya nambe pambe. Into our golden pocket 786 rejection area. 618 tapped. 618 tapped. No trade for me right now, guys. Still waiting. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. Retest to previous highs, continuation up. NASDAQ likes it, but yikes. Okay, ES rotating down. We're just going to get a 0.65 tap and dump. Solana climbing. Bitcoin climbing. The volatility is real, guys. Wild. Choppy, choppy at the toppy. No touchy. All right. No touchy right here. We wait. We wait. Here, let me calm you all down.
You know what time it is.
Calm down.
It's time to get paid. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, pink box. The
Relax,
only
everybody.
pink box that pays you.
Blow a fart. Drink some coffee.
Pink box. Oh yeah, the pink
It's
box.
just
Watch
news
that
data, guys.
candy pop.
You don't need to press the buttons.
All day.
This is like AlexOCrypto's meditational music. Oh shit. Happy Friday, everybody. Oh man. Too funny. Too funny. That pink box. Okay, NASDAQ rejecting here. Solana still looks strong. Bitcoin still looks strong. Retesting previous highs. Continuation up.
Let the price come down right into the golden pocket, nice and slow. Get the friction on. Yeah, yeah. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box, the only pink box that pays you, pays you.
The only pink box that pays you, man. I gotta create a sweater with just a pink box on it and says the only pink box that pays you. That's gotta be the new merch, man. We gotta do a pink box merch drop. Pink box exclusive. Okay, chop at the top, guys. Like, I typically don't touch this. So, news data coming in. Core inflation. So below consensus, but above previous day, right? And then, interesting. Naturally, I would think this comes down. What did Kobisi say? Kobisi says, U.S. energy inflation surged in March amid the Iran war, making the biggest monthly jump. CPI inflation rises 3.3 below expectations. Core inflation rise to 2.6 below expectations. CPI inflation is now the highest level since 2024 May. Fed rate cuts have been priced out. No cuts, guys. No cuts. That's not good. We need cuts. We need the money printer burr. If we want to see big boom, we need money printer go boom boom. Probably 2026. After he takes Canada. Too far. Okay, rotation down. 618 tap, like very, very cheeky tap. Like obviously not going to trade that on news. Getting acceptance back into the range. No golden pocket VWAP slap here either. So not really a trade available to us on the live stream unless we want to degen and top blast. There's another song for that if you want to do that. Thank you everybody for being here and supporting the channel and the kind words and congratulating me on being a homeowner and all the kind words and prayers that I asked you guys to say prayers for me, and it was really weird. Like we bid on a house and we lowballed the living beep out of them. Okay, we lowballed them because we didn't think they would come down this low. They called us yesterday with their counter offer, and their counter offer was basically what we lowballed them. Like, God is good, man. Like, just show up and do the work. Put in the effort. Right? Action. Action, action, action. Footwork. That's it. Show up every day like we do here. On time, ready to work, ready to trade. Discipline over time. It'll pay off, right? It'll pay off. I promise you that. But thank you guys for all your well wishes and your prayers and thoughts and all that stuff. Because when we got the news from our real estate agent, we're like, no way. Like, incredible news, right? And that's you guys. That's the power of, a community. Right? So thank you guys for your well wishes. Still waiting here. Nice sweep of the 618. I would prefer it to come back up into here. We're going to do some live trading after the stream here in our Discord. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. We just got some news data, choppy at the toppy. If you are new here and you don't have an amazing community that says good morning in the morning, comes through and everybody, says good morning. This is the best Discord in all of crypto. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, amazing. 8 traders, live streams, live trading in the Discord. Okay, you get the indicator, you get me, you get all the good stuff. You get 8 incredible traders. Kyle with the short last night. Oof, yeah, baby, yeah, groovy, baby. Okay, I took the long in the live stream, 0 delays. We got long together in here. Where was it, guys? Ask the Discord, they know. Okay, right here, 0 drawdown, perfect trade. Where was it? I don't know, somewhere yesterday. Incredible trade. Right here. We got long. Okay, live stream was yesterday. Boo. We didn't take a trade. And then we took this long literally right here as this candle closed. Boom. Stop loss here. And we all got paid together. Took it live. Showing you the trades, taking the trades every single day. Incredible. Discount right now. I'm only shilling this because it's the last day. And you only get this sale every 6 months. Okay, so $13 off for life. Otherwise, you're going to have like a 1 month discount price. This is every 6 months we do the big sale. So big sale on. If you do want to join, consider that now. You get 150 videos, training, lessons, live streams, constantly. Big schedule, barrage of information. It's a lot. Consider joining. If not, you don't need to join. Just come and hang out in the live stream. I'm sure you can figure it out eventually. I mean, it's just like a nothing better than a community, man. Like-minded people, kicking ass, taking names, having fun, having a good laugh. That's the key, man. Having a good laugh and making money is nothing better. Welcome to the Homeowner Club. Thank you, man. Follow through continuation. ES loves this. Oof, look at this. Woo. The ES loves it. Solana loves it too. Look at Solana. Solana is flying, guys. Solana flying. Bitcoin trying to catch up. ES is flying. Okay. Solana catching a bit. Can Bitcoin follow through? Breakout, retest to previous highs, continuation up. Not for me. Not for me. But my family just got up, so I'm going to go and say good morning to my wife and my son. I guess we need a song. Top blasting? We can go top blast. I'll be right back, gang. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. God bless you guys. I'll be right back. Coffee. Let's go, baby.
Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Van bass like my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't want to stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate 8. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just market on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop. Top blasting, buying high and selling low. Direct buy wick, put on a gong show. Top blasting, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should've clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight to trading hell. Now I'm sitting in my wagon chair, yeah, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, that candle was quick. Market makers on my order, that dirty rascal. Under my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure waiting for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an underpambe, don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a lelly, the big V-wap slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto honest to Dan. That's the plan, but top blasting trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. But let's crypto, talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 bye. Yeah. Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Van bass like my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't want to stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate 8. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just market on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop. Top blasting, buying high and selling low. Direct buy wick, put on a gong show. Top blasting, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should've clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight to trading hell. Now I'm sitting in my wagon chair, yeah, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, that candle was quick. Market makers on my order, that dirty rascal. Under my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure waiting for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an underpambe, don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a lelly, the big V-wap slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto honest to Dan. That's the plan, but top blasting trades wasn't part of the brand. true to the digital. All the gang, 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 vibes. Yeah. Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Van bass like my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, gang, gang. Let's go. I walked away for a minute just to.
Sorry, guys. I see you guys top blasting. Put a 1 in the chat if you top blasting. See, this is like a safety thing. You know, that coffee break. Hopefully you all got coffee. No trades right now. Thank you for being here, hanging out. Up about eight racks. Is that what am I supposed to say? Up 8 grand this week. Happy Monday, everybody. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful day. Solana looks really strong. ES has cooled off. NASDAQ pushing. Let's go, you top blasters. I believe in you. All you people joining the Discord now. I don't know. We're going to have to filter you out. Giving too many spoon-feeding handouts, right? No, the gang's hungry. The gang's always hungry. Best morning. Where's Dave? Dave, I'm allowed to make a playlist with it, right? Am I allowed? Do I have full rights, bro? Thank you for being here, Sam. Happy Monday. I mean, happy Friday. It's Friday, everybody. God bless you guys. Hopefully you all had a beautiful day. Continuation, 1 minute. 1 minute does look like it can follow through here, guys. You got your really bad, ugly flag, but this is a good candle here. Continuation up on the 1. Hopefully the top blast works for you guys. The thing is you got your 618 here and your golden pocket 786. So if you come into here and you reject, you're going down. So looking strong, pushing out even with weird inflation data. Solana looks really strong. This is a key level of support and resistance. Flip, continuation up. NASDAQ climbing as well. Ramping up here, looking strong. ES, okay, continuation as well. Big balloon dog. Oil rotating down. Interesting. Could be an oil-driven pump here. And Bitcoin ripping as well. No top blasting right now. Just waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here. News came in. CPI hot. No cuts this year, supposedly. And we'll see. We'll see what we... Our job is to be patient here up at the highs. You guys can do whatever you want. I think a whole bunch of y'all top blasting, but that's all right. Full commercial rates. Charge him, Dave. I'm hungry. More Discord time for me. Good, Alexander G. You know. We'll spoon feed all, as much as I can. I got like a frog in my throat this morning. Casual trade profits Friday. That's it. Yeah. I mean, we don't want to give it back. If we're up 8 grand on a Friday after trading good all the last 4 days, we've been on fire, like averaging like between $2,000 and $3,000 a day. I had a $4,000 day on Wednesday. Wednesday was crushing. Almost 3.7, I think. But 2. Yeah, it's been good. ETH looks strong too. So when you see something look strong, your job is to be contrarian to that idea, right? Right? Remember, we don't buy green candles, right? Like we want to buy red candles. So it's like, unless it's buying strength into a move that's already occurred, like here, right? Like we took yesterday, right? Or like here, right? But this is red candles, right? Like yesterday, we took this long here in the Discord together. Everybody did. But we waited 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So we waited 30 minutes. We waited half an hour in the Discord taking no trades. And then we got the one candle. You can see, everybody will tell you in the Discord, the one candle we closed above the high here, I said long. And I took the long, and I don't know what the Discord did. I think they took the long. And look, you get paid instantly. 0 drawdown. No BS, right? That's why you wait. It's okay if you're long here. But wouldn't you just rather get paid like instantly? No emotional damage along the way, right? So that's my favorite kind of trade, man. It's like you just in the green instantly. In the green, not a care in the world. Right? Wild. Wild times. Jesus take the wheel on the 4 hour? Let me see, Dave. Are you fibbing? There's no Jesus take the wheel. Where's your Jesus take the wheel? Jesus take the wheel is like this. So you get Jesus with his hands in the air. There's Jesus. You get this. And then you get a trigger wave. That's Jesus take the wheel. Or you get in the opposite direction. Right? That's Jesus take the wheel. You want a short here or you want a long here. You see Jesus here? Jesus with his hands in the air. Right? And there's no Jesus take the wheel. I don't know. You got some weird ass Jesus hands here. Unless you're looking at it like. It's gotta be clean. Look at this one here. Okay, here's a good Jesus take the wheel right here on the 4 hour. Right here. So you got it right here. Up, head, arm, trigger wave. Long. Look at that long, right? That's the fucking Jesus take the wheel, buddy. That's the goodies. Look at that. There's a good Jesus take the wheel. Here's another one. Head, hand, trigger wave. That's a good Jesus take the wheel. Look at that one. Boom. All right. Magic. So I don't know what you're looking at, Dave. Coming back down here, dumping on Bitcoin. I say dumping. I mean, it's a retracing, but consolidation chop at the top 3 drives. Failure to push. Solana, coming back for late longs. Trying to hold support here. Flipping to support. Maybe order block tap here. We'll see what we get. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, supporting the channel, hanging out here. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. Taking the trades, showing the trades, helping make crypto honest again. Traders helping traders. I ain't here to like, I don't know. We're just trading, man. That's it. I think like YouTubing's a whole different animal, man. I see these people with these like video editors and hooks and lines and sinkers, and that ain't us, man. The gang is strong. The gang takes the trades. It shows the trades. We print. I mean, if you're a good trader, okay, like I have, okay, so since my channel has grown a little bit, right? So I have these exchanges, and they're like, we'll give you $2,000 a month to use our exchange. I'm like, bro, I made that yesterday. I don't need your 2K to shill to my community for your shit liquidity, right? So as a trader, I ain't coming on here being like, use Bitunix and use Vagtinix exchange, Vagex, and use BoobX. And if you want to use ErectX exchange, you'll get $55 free deposit bonus on your first schlong, right? Like, fuck off. Sorry. But, like, you don't have that ability to say F off unless you're a profitable trader and you don't need their $2,000 to shill to other people, right? I shill Bitunix because I use Bitunix, and if you want to use Bitunix, it's good liquidity and it's a good exchange. I haven't had any issues, and I have a good rep. That's the only one I've ever shilled, and I only started saying you can use it in February. I've been doing this for 4 years, right? There's my rant for Friday, okay? Right? Here's my Friday rant. You've already joined. How do you get into Discord? XLev? Did you message me? No. If you've joined, you can accept it and give it to me. Code is Lord Otter, yeah. You joined with code Lord Otter. Does it automatically put you in Discord? So the code will... You go to the website, you sign up, you use the code, you go into here, you join the gang, you subscribe, you put in your code. Then once you've put in your code, go to Discord. You see the big orange button? Discord. Click Discord. And down here it says verify membership. Click that, enter Discord. Verify, enter Discord. Verify, enter Discord. Verify, enter Discord, and I'll bring you, and you'll enter the Discord, and you'll get the membership. Your name will turn purple. Hopefully that helps you. Thank you for joining the family, man. Welcome to the gang. Gang. All right. Do you use Chart Prime a lot? What do you rate it? So I've been teaching at Chart Prime for 2 years, so I'll never badmouth Chart Prime ever. They've been really good to me. I love Chart Prime. Their indicators are good. They're better than Lux Algo. If you need order blocks, all that kind of stuff, they're top notch, man. So I would never diss the Chart Prime family. They've always been good to me. And it's not that, like, I wouldn't teach somewhere where their indicators are shit. Okay? Wouldn't. Chart Prime, look, we go Chart Prime. Like any indicator, your interpretation of price action, market structure. Look, I can put on all the chart. I teach all this stuff, okay? I can put on every Chart Prime indicator in the world here, guys. Ain't gonna make me a better trader unless I know how to trade, right? I can have the coolest neon volume profile Bollinger Band WAP top dynamic reactor schlong indicating. Okay, very good, useful tools. But what's our job? Our job is to be able to interpret price action, market structure, volume that hunts liquidity. And we use tools to help us get there and manage our risk and make more profits, right? I need to develop an edge, right? Like if you don't have an edge in the market, and I teach this in the Discord of how to develop an edge, how to watch price action, interpret it properly so that you can develop an edge of what you're looking for and how you're looking to trade it. And I give you all my strategies, but you got to know how to implement it due to what's going on in the chart here, right? If you can see this is running away and breakout, retest, while doji engulfing, continuation trades. Like there's ways to trade it. But if you don't have an edge in the market and you're not into edging, well, I'm sorry to hear that. But that's the hardest thing, right? Risk management, very easy to do. Do a lot of people do it? No. Okay? Risk management, very easy to do. Does everybody do it? No. So they eventually fail, right? Strategy. So one thing everybody wants to take trades, put on indicators. They don't want to backtest strategy, right? How are you going to participate in a market that's algorithmically set to absolutely liquidate you and fuck you up? This is made to mess you up. Emotional damage constantly. So if you can't trade something stoically, right, with good risk management, patience, execution, right, and be able to take a loss when you are wrong, because you will be wrong, even if you have a amazing win rate, you still will be wrong. Right, you got to be wrong fast and wrong cheap. Right, if you don't have that, it doesn't matter what's on your chart. You put all the blip blob bleeps on your chart. They're there to help you after looking at this and understanding this. That's the key. That's just my opinion. And I help you do that, right? Because everybody's trading journey is different and everybody's life is different, right? That's why this is so beautiful. No strategy is the same. Nobody's life is the same. Do you want to work a full-time job and come home and day trade or scalp for a couple hours? Or do you want to take a swing trade and have it run for all week while you work your regular job? Maybe you're working a job and you don't have time, right? There's ways. That's why we have 8 different traders that trade all different styles in our Discord. Everybody has a different style. We have BAT patterns. We have momentum. We have smart money concepts. We have JPOWs. We have Neo wave theory. We have big swing trade signals guys. Like, that's why we've diversified. Diversified. It's such a ruined word now. Diversified our Discord to help everybody navigate it properly. My son's breaking in. Hey, buddy. Dad. It's Friday. Dad. It's Friday. Are we going to say gang? Yeah? Say gang, gang, gang. Say hi. You going to say gang? I have no clue, Moose. Say gang, gang, gang. Can you say whatever? It's Friday, baby. Say baby. Gang, gang, gang. Good job, buddy. Haven't seen it. Oh, okay. He's opening doors, guys. I didn't put the thing in front of the door. Oh, he likes to gob on the microphone, which is great. Little legend, man. He's so good. Houdini, he is. Let's go. What were we talking about? Diversity? What's going on, Miss Teen Crypto? Good to see you. God bless. Hopefully you're doing well. Randy Hipper in the chat. Cal, good morning. Army Piper, good morning. What do you think about Sol? I love Solana long term. I'm not trading it right now. Typically, I trade Sol more than I do Bitcoin, but in this environment, I haven't been touching it. Curbstar, good to see you. Chad, good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Teach him how to open the door with a fresh coffee. Yes. He has to come bearing fruit. We'll see. We'll see. You got a 5-minute break of structure, right? No. No 5-minute break. Your 5-minute break's down here. It depends on what constitutes your market structure, right? For me, it's two two candles in a row to constitute a high and a low. Okay, 2 candles in a row. So red, red, right? We need red, red in a row. In a row. In a row. You can't have a green in between. Okay? You see how it's green in between? Red, green, red. You need 2 in a row. Right? What do you got here? 1, 2. So the next low is a low. 1, 2. So that low down here, that's the low. Okay, so that's where we need to break. Okay? 2 green. 1, 2. So this constitutes the high. Right? You have to have rules based in your strategy, right? 2 red, this is a low. 2 red, this is a low. Okay, 2 green, this is a high. 2 green, this is a high. Okay, double trouble, baby. You have to have rules based around your strategy, and this applies for all time frames, right? So this would be my low that I need to break right now on a 12-minute. Unless it's a 1 minute. If we go 1 minute, then yeah, if we lose this low right here, we have a break. Have we closed below this low yet? No, we do not have no break of structure, right? Bulls are defending the low, right? So no break. Rules based, right? Always rules based. If you don't have rules, you're going to drool. Boys rule, girls drool, that kind of deal, right? Trying to hold this support line, retest our previous highs again. Like we said, bulls are defending these lows. I like this wick back. So like this tells me that bulls don't have to come here. So we pushed out. You see this wick right here? This guy right here? This tells me we don't necessarily need to come down here because this came back for late longs, right? Late longs. So can it follow through and continue? We'll see. Looking strong though. Looking strong. Look at that order block tap on Solana. Woof. Order block tap continuation. Oil's back up. Trying to push. ES. Consolidation sideways. NASDAQ. Consolidation sideways. So inflation didn't really dump the markets. If anything, we're climbing a little bit here. So this is going to be an interesting day in my opinion. Happy Friday, everybody. Thank you for being here and hanging out. We got 300 and something people in here. 65 people. God bless you guys. 111 likes. Thank you guys for being here. Slapping up the like button. Subscribing if you're new. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Making crypto honest again. Trying to push out here. We'll see how it goes. A little bit of Steve Ruglin up at the highs here. We got 20 minutes till market open. Thank you guys for being here. See where we get to. I'm optimistic, but we shall see, man. We shall see. Chop at the top. Still waiting. Solana uptrending momentum's nice too. We might need to come back down lower here. We'll see. Into market open. Little rollover here. SPY left up at the highs. Where's ES right now? ES is above the highs. So it's pretty flat coming into this morning, yeah. So we'd expect pretty flat this morning. Which is fine. The big gap is down below. We know that. We know the gap is down here. SPY has obviously climbed. Looking good. Getting some bids. However, big gap energy down below. We'll see. We will see. We will see. NASDAQ flat. Yeah. Still no trade here. Still waiting. No real opportunities this morning, in my opinion, guys. We had the climb up before the stream. Consolidation, bear divs in here, then like trickle down into news data. The slap up was kind of a short opportunity. And then we went into the news data, and then we didn't get a VWAP slap down here. Big push into our 618 resistance level here. And then now we've just trickled sideways, right? So generally right now we're looking here, right, for that continuation. Or we're looking for a rollover and rotation down into the liquidity of the lows, right? So generally right now, this is where we're looking for the trades in here at 72,000, right? If we start to rip, okay, if we start to rip to the upside, there's ways to get in here that we have, okay? So if this, then that. Right now, it's pretty much ditto in the middle, breakout, retest, continuation up, right? Breakout, retest, continuation, but not something where I'm looking to just schlong this thing here in this chop solidation, right? This has been the market we're given, right? Like if you're not aware, like we are in wartime trading times, right? This is what we get. We get sideways, we get sideways, we get sideways, and then we get boom, right? And our job's not to guess. Our job is to wait. You know, this has been it's been a weird live stream trading week. We've been patient. We've been teaching. We've been trying to fill the time without, you know, we haven't been entering many trades. We've entered lots of trades, I'm telling you, from 10 o'clock till about 11:30. And then from 1 o'clock till about market close. That's when you want to be trading right now. Let the move kind of show the cards and then whoop its ass, right? Like whoop its ass. Discord sale right now if you guys do want it. Last day to join. Last day to get the deal. Deal's done today. Okay. Deal is over today. But we got long here yesterday, right? When was that? That was on our Discord live stream, right? Right? We took that long. So we've been getting paid really well, but it's just a matter of are you patient enough to wait for this shit to happen? Because there wasn't really an opportunity yesterday. However, we did get that nice bounce, and we did get that continuation trade off VWAP, and we took the long here. 0 drawdown, perfect trade. If you don't believe me, ask the game, right? We can show you the entry. All that good stuff. And then we had the SFP in here. So we had 3 drives. We were looking for shorts in here. At the SFP, we shorted this thing down with Kyle. Okay, another trader in our Discord. Incredible. Right? Cha-ching is our Asia name. Our name is Cha-ching. Okay? Auto gang. Okay? So, slow and steady. It's nice to be in a community that's still making money in this market, because this ain't easy, guys. Look at the choppy city, right? So, consolidation, diamond reversal pattern right now, right? If you're into diamonds, diamonds are forever. Diamond reversal. Okay. Caution. But yeah, we're looking here. Or we're looking here. Or we're looking for this. Oof, that would be juicy. Oh, yeah. Right down to 69. Oof. Oh, baby, right? Right now, there's no... Look at this thing. It's absolute trash panda, right? So we wait. We wait, unfortunately, right? Like I love taking trades, but I don't like losing money. I like keeping my money more than I like losing trades. So do with that what you want. And we'll see where we go. Yeah, this looks like it's rotating down. Do I have to add more? I'm just checking to make sure the coupon's still working, because, I mean, there's a lot of you guys have joined, man. There is 1, 2. I added more spots, guys. We have 4 more spots for the gang. That's it, man. Otherwise, the mods are going to kill me, having to moderate like another 30 people. We'll see. The mods don't like headaches, man. Just be kind, don't be a douche canoe. That's all. The gang keeps growing. Pretty awesome, man. I'm grateful for you guys hanging out here. Solana seems to be doing some magic today. Let me see this Bitcoin Solana chart here. Solana's a tell, man. Look at this Solana tell, guys. Oh, bids coming in, man. We got a stiletto pattern, triple bottom. Okay. I mean, Solana needs to break this high. Then we talk in business. Set alert. And wait. Solana does this. We get long here on Solana. Okay. Remember that. That's how you trade Solana. It's got to outperform Bitcoin, because then you can use Bitcoin as like, so you guys see how I use NASDAQ. So you do the same thing, but you use Bitcoin to front run Solana. And those who have been here long enough and seen how I trade Solana, it's a magical event, okay? It's a magical event. Because you see, Bitcoin gives you the tell, and maybe you see Solana's ripping right now, but maybe Bitcoin does one of these and goes slap and boom. And then Solana hasn't done it yet. And all you're waiting for is Solana to go slap and boom. Boom. And you get long on Solana and you make way more money. Way more money. That's how we hit that 10K trade on the live stream that one day. Right? It happens. Good times. But until then, we wait. Because the market is very, very choppy right now. We got 11 minutes till market opens, everybody. Thank you for being here. 390 people on the live stream. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. 131 likes. I think those are rookie numbers. All I ask, though, is you say good morning. Say good morning. Don't be a douche canoe on your wanking chariot just hanging out here. No. Just say good morning. Don't be a weirdo. What's going on, Mel? Good to see you. What's going on, Barakaljan? Good morning, Sue. Susan, man, you've been doing good. Good to see you, bro. Thank you for being in the family, man. Army Piper wanted more aggressive news. Dina, how you doing? Good morning, Kara, Yazer, Gaston, bonjour, Venise. Good morning, guys. Big Boss, Daniel, Mr. YouTubers, Mr. Market, Weldy. Thank you for being here, guys. Thank you for saying good morning and not being a weirdo, just sitting on your chair, watching me watch a screen that clicks the screen. It's kind of weird, don't you think? That like, I'm here watching a screen, watching you guys, and you guys are watching me watch a screen. Human beings are a disease. Tau volatility is fire. Yeah, run away from that. They had a big sell-off, man. Tony Soprano with the good morning. Look at this guy. He's got the coffee ready to go, man. That's utterly fantastic, bro. Good morning, gang. Look at the gang. The gang's always saying good morning. Look at this. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Best Discord, man. You guys are incredible. We go right into the Discord and continue trading on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. We took an amazing trade together yesterday in the Discord after the live stream, and I only saw boobs. TNB, let's go, man. Good morning, guys. I am watching the Masters, and I'm kind of disappointed with DeChambeau's start. Rory's on fire. I like Jason Day, man. He's got swag. Like, such a swag outfit. Did you see his birds Bird outfit, Jason Day's outfit. What a G, man. The guy's always pimping. Setting the bar. I thought if we close above that wick at 72,304, it would be a 5-minute JPOW. So you're talking about a break to the upside. You're talking about this break here, Rich. JPOW, and then you're looking for a continuation up. That's correct. That's a break to the upside. But I would think that your JPOW is here. So your JPOW is an internal break here. And you're looking along and continue up. You don't want to top blast a JPOW. But that's for WaveCypher to ask. You can ask him for sure. I'm sure he'd gladly explain it to you. Just take a screenshot and post it in his chat, right? So like that's the power, right? You go into here, go into one of our traders who's WaveCypher. He does the JPOW. Go into his chat. We go here and we can turn off all the pretty things in here. In 5 minute, and then you go screenshot. 5 minute screenshot and say at WaveCypher, can you explain where the JPOW is here on the 5 minute before the open today? Paste, pop it in there, and I'm sure he'll get back to you, right? That's the power of having 8 traders, man. Is, you know, nonstop. I did it for you there, right? And then bad short on Sol. Yes, Sol's outperforming Bitcoin right now. It's not something you want to, and it's holding critical support. So Sol's looking very strong right now. Yeah, this is looking good coming into market open, which is always, you know, when it's looking good, we need to be contrarian, right? Right? What are they doing? Trapping longs, right? What did they do yesterday? Right? Yesterday, we look at yesterday, market open, right? 3 drives, bearish divergence. Rejection, trapping longs. Look at this, trapping longs, boom, right? Bottoming structure. We got long here yesterday. Right? So it's that. Today, what are they doing? They sent it up. Where's the imbalance? In here. What are they doing? News data. Blah, 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 blah. Trapping longs. If it wants to get going, it better have some power, right? Because we know this is our macro golden pocket 786 in here. This is our higher term time frame. If we go swing high to swing low, right? We have our golden pocket 786, which we've tapped. Okay. But naturally, if we're looking for a retracement trade, we are looking for this to come here. If this is a corrective move. If it isn't corrective, and this is some sort of accumulation in a push up here and not a 3 drives 1 2 3 distribution on the higher term time frame. See, this is why you need to know, where are we, right? I know where we are. Do you know where we are? I teach you guys this. Did you guys know that we have 3 drives distribution possibly up at the highs here, and we could get absolutely rugged? We also have a Bart Simpson. Okay. So, like, our job as traders, this technical analysis, is to understand what's the bigger picture, zoom it in, right? The way I teach it, it's a sieve, right? It's a big sieve. You take all the information from the looking left. You look left, confluence. Look left, confluence, right? You look this way. You bring all these levels, and you sieve it into where price action is, right? You take all the information, and you sieve it into here. Doesn't matter what's on your chart. You want to take all the information and you want to bring it to where price is trading, right? This is where price is trading. You take all this big ass information and you make it accurate. You take all this big ass information and you make it accurate. And then once you've done that and you've marked out your chart, you have a working chart. So you understand that if we are going to correct here and come back down to somewhere in here where there's another imbalance, right? Right? We gave this area last night. We also gave this area last night as well. We didn't get up to it last night, but we came down to it last night, okay? But we also have the 3 drives here, which is scary. But we still have an uptrend on the higher term time frames. Major time frames, we are in a downtrend accumulation sideways range. If this and that, where are we at? We're at the top of the range, 72 to 74, top of the range. It's a lot to put together, right? And you generally need to know this, even if you're trading on the 3-minute like I am. I teach you guys this. 2.5 minutes here till market opens. Chop at the top, trying to push back. 3 white soldiers, consolidation continuation. We'll see. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Hanging out here. They killed Kenny, you bastards. Rory pushing the boat, yeah. Rory's playing risk-free now, though, right? Rory has got his... He's got his Grand Slam, right? Like, he's got his... So Rory's playing free, right? That's dangerous. When Rory's playing free, his driver was even off yesterday, and he was still making shots. And he made a couple good putts, but Rory is dangerous now because he's nothing to lose. He's already won it. Good morning, WB. Ramus, good morning. Thank you for saying good morning, guys. Thank you guys for smacking up the like button. Nice push back here into market open. Strength defending the low here. No trades right now. Up 8.5 this week. So since Monday, up 8.5. Showing the trades, taking the trades every single day. Showing you guys the account. Took profits. Took $15,000 off in profits. Deposited it into my bank. Now we started with 15 grand. On Monday, we have compounded the account. We're almost at 22.7. Incredible week so far. Let's continue to work it. It's been good. It's been good. Slow and steady, winning the race, you know. Can't complain. Average of $2,000 a day. Taking the trades, showing the trades every single day. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto Show. We're live here every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. Happy Friday, everybody. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out here. We'll see where we get to. Bear divs up at the highs, trying to push back, coming into market open. SPY expecting flat gap, no real movement here on the SPY. Let's see how it reacts coming into the open this morning. It is ding, 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 ding. Okay, gap up. Gap up for the SPY this morning. We'll see. Okay, here's our gap up this morning. Bitcoin, a little push. Trap, in my opinion. Trap. NASDAQ. Big slapping down. Slapping down. Okay, holding here, looking good. Oil looks like it wants to climb up, bearish. Continuation here on the DAC, looking strong. Bitcoin following suit. Look at that. Here we go, trying to push up. Trying to put in higher orb here. If we can come into here and get clean rejection, that would be ideal. But this is looking strong here, guys. Pushing up 72, 360. Can it continue? Solana looks the best in my opinion right now. It's totally outperforming Bitcoin, but we'll see where Bitcoin gets to. Thank you guys for being on the live and hanging out here. trapping traders, man. This is warning sign in my opinion. This is warning sign, but if it does start to rip, we know how to get in, right? Like that's the thing is like you must trust your skills of jumping in like on an up only trend, right? You don't want to top blast here. This is the high of the day pretty much, right? Daily high, right? So do you want to buy the daily high? You do you, man. You do you. Whatever you want, man. But still chilling, waiting here. NASDAQ looks strong, guys. SPY looks strong as well. Nice gap this morning. See if we can come back into this and fill it. Fill it. There's that big wick energy on Bitcoin. Like I said, this is decision point, in my opinion. We'll see. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. I love seeing you guys win. You guys know that. If you're winning, man, you can share it all you want. Right? Just know that I expect you guys to be trading strategy, right? Like, that's why on our winners wall in our Discord, right? If you want to post your winners, cool. That's cool. I don't care, but tell me why, right? Breakout, trade, lower time frame, volume plus price action, right? Tell me why. Andy, why aren't you telling me why? I'm deleting them. I'm going to delete them if I don't see why. You got to tell me why. This is more of a trading journal. You can brag all you want, but you got to tell me why. I don't care. I can post P&L cards all day, right? Tell me why you took the trade. What was the reason you executed the trade and made profits, right? What were you looking at? Right? I remember when I was new to trading, the reason why is because when I was new to trading, I was the biggest degen Sniper's Nightmare has ever seen, okay? 77x leverage, trading TRB. I would post P&L cards where I made like $4, but it was like 100% P&L card. Like, who gives a shit? Are you profitable, right? Execute high probability trades over and over again. That's it. Stop lying to yourself. That's just lying to yourself, right? I was lying to myself. I had to get honest with my trading. Then you start seeing the difference, man. Get honest with yourself, right? A business that does not take, inventory, if you're not taking a look at what's in the business, right? Like if I'm a vacuum company, right? I'm a vacuum company and I got the Hoover 5000, right? I got the Hoover 5000 from 1980. Fucking great fucking vacuum back then. Is it as good as a Dyson now? No fucking way. You gotta get rid of it, right? You gotta get the Dyson, right? Take inventory. Look at your trades. Analyze them. It's called journaling. All right. At least do a daily review. I do a daily review minimum. If I'm struggling, I'm right back into it. Look at this dump, guys. Wow. Good call. Good job. Everybody here's short, right? Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Dumping. Is that a Breaking Bad reference? No. I am the danger. Let's go, baby. Good job, everybody. Trapping longs up at the highs. Like, this is pretty obvious, right? Sweep at the highs. Down we go, right? Good job, everybody. Otter, gang. At the end of the day, I'm just glad to protect you guys. NASDAQ, pump and dump. SPY, pump and dump. Look at this. Beautiful. As expected. Good job. Early gap fill could mean push for the rest of the day, though. If we come back and fill this. VWAP slap. No trade right now. I want to see the behavior here. Still market open. We still got 10 minutes till orb. 9 minutes till orb, sorry. See how it behaves here. Breaking down, losing momentum. Candle close and okay, bearish candle close all the way down here, breaking the momentum, coming into VWAP. Sorry, I was on the 5 minute there. Why didn't you guys tell me I was on the 5 minute? Jeez, I almost got all fucked up there. Oh my God, I'm swearing too much. It looks like we're going to have to do a giveaway today. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge. We know. The Discord knows. Fuckity, fuck, fuck, fuckity, fuck, fuck, look at. There, we topped it off, okay? Discord giveaway today. After the live stream, we'll be giving away $100 to Discord members. Maybe even double it. Who knows? Maybe even double it. Rotation down. Little bounce off VWAP here. Solana. Solana short. All right. Great short, guys. If you guys got short on this area here, that's a good job, but we'll see. We've taken liquidity out of the lows here. We're holding VWAP for now. Downtrending momentum on the 12 and 24. Holding zero line though, halfway up the candle. Trying to push here. NASDAQ flying. Okay, coming back for late longs. Coming back for late longs and pushing back up here. SPY not fully filling the gap. Interesting, may need to come down lower still. Bitcoin holding, breakdown, retest, continuation down, opportunity here, not interested. Needs to come higher. Or consolidation down here. Local golden pocket, I believe. Rotation down, halfway up the candle, rotation down, consolidation at VWAP here. Solana breaking down, NASDAQ, pump and dump, rotation down again. SPY still needs to come here, so we are favoring shorts. Liquidity in the lows here, aggressive pump up, being recovered as we speak, losing VWAP potentially here. Trying to defend VWAP traders, however not looking good. Rotation down, can it hold? Close below VWAP, might be bearish. Order block retest of lows. Here we go. Down we go. Nice dump. Slap through VWAP. Can we get follow through? NASDAQ rolling over. SPY telling the story. SPY's telling the story. Needs to come back and fill this hole before we go up. Can Bitcoin hold here? See if we get a candle close above here. Let's get rid of this momentum. Momentum has broken. Rotation down here. Congratulations on your shorts, guys. Very nice trade so far. Coming back, retesting highs and lows. This is critical down here at 71,800. 71,800 is a critical level. Just be aware of this level here. Lots of support and resistance in here. Locally. Local support and resistance in here. Still no trade. Not for me right now. There's been no entry. I mean, bear divs SFP to open up. This was just very violent. Not for me. It's gonna be one of those days where we go in the Discord and make all the money. That's okay. Discord members don't mind that. YouTube people probably do. That's okay. I mean, we show the P&Ls every day, so I ain't here to hide. I ain't here to lose money, though. That's the thing. People need indicators? Okay. At family, if you need the indicator, just post your TradingView name here. There's a whole bunch of new people who joined too, and I'm sure they want the indicator. This is going to be a great orb today, guys. Look at the size of it. Holy smokes, look at the bloody size of it, mate. It's gigantic. I always think of Steve Irwin. Look at that tarantula. Holding the WAP here. This is interesting. Weird candle close. Like really weird candle close. Right on VWAP. So this is typically bullish. Typically, like I ain't long in this, but this, you would look for this to, the squeeze is not real here. Like it's, the juice ain't worth it, in my opinion. It's not worth it. And it's risky because of how we've come down into this, and the SPY still hasn't taken this area in here. Chop, chop. Chop, chop. It's a good little battle we got going on here. Solana holding that momentum. Like I said, SPY needs to come and fill this. Then we can go up. Go on, SPY. Do your thing. Fill it. Filet-o fill it, and then let's go. Holding. Chop at the WAP, guys. Interesting. Interesting. Patience here. Happy Friday, everybody. Thank you for being here. If you're new here, welcome. We're here live every morning, taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. A little bit of patience here. Not somewhere where I'm really interested in trading. Trump just tweeted again? Did he? No, he didn't, did he? Come on, don't do that to me. Don't make me look. World's most powerful reset, he just tweeted. What the does that mean, man? This guy on some next level. He's eating too many Cheetos, man. Yeah, most powerful. Still not closing the gap here. Interesting. Put a 1 in the chat if you long the VWAP here like an absolute god. I mean, the close above gives you the opportunity to take the trade here. Like I said, to me, it wasn't worth the squeeze. Yeah, you'd be here. I mean, you'd be in profits. You could take TP1 now if you've taken it. There's your scalp. Look at that. I told you. Candle close tells you everything, right? Candle close. We got a little scalpers in the chat. Let's go, scalpers. Good job, guys. Retest to previous lows. Caution here, guys. This is where you would short, right? So retest to previous lows right here. So you're looking for a short here. If you want to, this is when I'm trading by myself and not hanging out with you guys. I mean, I'm a much more active trader. But VWAP doing its thing, baby. Doing its thing. Crazy. Good times. SPY. Choppy. DAC. Choppy but pushing. Good. Good. Orb is in, baby. Ray Orb is in. Happy Friday, everybody. Thank you for being here. 420 people, man. How do you guys get it to 420? Do you guys do that on purpose? 421. There we go. All right. You guys are hilarious, man. Only 170 likes though. I see. I see how it is. On a Friday? On a Friday, you guys are something, man. Look at, and you guys are all up this week with your big schlongy trades, man. Good job, everybody. Is that a Bart Simpson on the 15? You're talking about this guy up here? Yeah, I wouldn't say so. You could say this is imbalanced in here. And there's definitely one here. That's higher time frame stuff, though. Trying to battle right now. Trying to battle holding orb, holding VWAP. I love a VWAP orb combo in here. This is always good if you know how to trade it. Printer. It's a printer, man. Come on, Bitcoin. Push. A little bit more. Need a little bit more. Push. You nambe pambe. Come on. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambe pambe. Happy Friday, everybody. Otter gang, 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 gang.
Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby.
Otter's in the chat.
Don't be a douche
Discord discount is over today, guys.
Wait for the trade. All the gang, gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby. Don't be a douche canoe.
Look at that long, man. I should have taken it. VWAP wins, man. VWAP's so gangster. Look at that. Look at that. Actually, Spoon's in the chat. I think I spoon fed that. I should have taken the long.
Don't be a namby, don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby, douche canoe, douche canoe, douche canoe.
Well, there's the long, guys.
That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby. Don't be a douche canoe.
Nice pushback here. Late shorts, getting wrecked. Otter gang. Oh, Solana, baby. Solana box paying, man. Anybody long Solana? Whew. That's fire, man. What a level. Man, I love this. I love seeing you guys win. This is good fun, man. Even though I'm not in the trade, it's like, good call, you know? Good call. Too fun, man. Too much fun, man. We lost 30 people there. That's hilarious. They can't handle it because they're douche canoes. Uh-oh. Why is someone calling me? Who just called me? I don't have my WhatsApp open. I just got a phone call. Sketchy. Sketchy AF, man. All right. Chop in the middle of the orb. Big Wick energy. John Wick's grandmother lived here? She must be here. Order block retest. Continuation up here. No trade right now, guys. All you guys taking the VWAP long without me. I'm upset with you guys. I thought we were friends. Come on. What? Come on. Lower. It's really going to leave like a little hobbit hair here. A hobbit pube. I don't know where these words come from sometimes, guys. Hobbit pube. It's like a C hair, okay? When you say like, when you're cutting a piece of wood, you say take off a C hair. Right? Take off a C hair. Like a blade. Half a blade. Take off half a blade. All the carpenters know that, right? Take off half a blade. It's a little bit long. Right? A C hair. There's a big deal with Iran. Okay. We'll see. Just a hair? A hair is a full blade. Half a blade? 1/16th? Yeah, well, a blade's an eighth. Yeah, you're right. You're right. You are right. Take off a gnat's wanker? A whisker. A gnat's whisker. I thought I said wanker. Continuation follow through here. Chopping at the top, man. I think Solana's the play today, guys. Holy smokes. ETH? Yeah, ETH is dog shit right now. ETH is outperforming Bitcoin, but it's trading so ugly. Normally we do like ETH, Solana, Bitcoin, like top down every morning. ETH has been eliminated. It's not something that I would touch with Army Pipers and Tony Soprano pushing kind of deal, you know? What a weird open today, guys. Look at this price action. Strength, guys, looks strong so far. Looks strong for now. No trade. Today is the last day to lock in the Discord for the one-time offer for the spring. Only happens twice a year. $13 off. Join now or forever hold your peace. We take trades live in the Discord. 150 videos. 8 traders. Last day. Join now or don't. That is your choice. Best Discord in all crypto. Taking the trade, showing the trades. 2 trades given in advance yesterday. 1 during a live stream. 1 in the afternoon from Kyle. Amazing group of people. We have yeah. Incredible. Full price Monday. Okay, full price Monday. Join AlexOCrypto.com. Use code LordOtter. That's enough out of me. Coming in the top of the hour here. Follow through continuation here. Looking strong for Bitcoin. Flying. Up we go. A little bit overextended. Trying to flip orb here. Continuation up. Mm-hmm. 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 Nasdaq still has strengths, man. This thing's non-stop. Just not somewhere where I'm looking to trade. Nice VWAP. VWAP grab. Close above VWAP. Hammer candle. Engulfing candle. Strength all the way up. Looking strong here. Chop, chop. Chop, chop. Follow through continuation. Got a little bit of a head and shoulders here. Liquidity of the high target. It's not something I don't typically trade head and shoulders. I think I've given one head and shoulders setup this year, but it's there. Look at this push, man. Good job on your longs, everybody. So I'm going to say GG's to you guys. Discord live trading session after this stream. Happy Friday, everybody. Hopefully you all had a beautiful, beautiful trading week. Look at you guys. 44% of you guys in profits. Great job. Down 23%. Let's work on that. We'll get there. Break even. You're close, man. You're close. It's probably risk management. Wrecked. Well, you got some work to do, man. Got some work to do. What happened to 3 drives then dump? That's on a very higher term time frame. So that's like we're looking 3 drives and dump is more like this. So our 3 drives is here, right? Bing, 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 right? But we still have upwards momentum here, right? So there's no reason to really fade this just yet, right? So for me, we need bottoming structure, means significant lows have to be lost. If we go on like an hourly here, that means that we must lose lows, right? We must break, right? So you had a little break here, continuation, head and shoulders, breakout, right? And you just have that follow through here. You didn't, imbalance here, but you need to see the break, and then you're looking for rotation down. This is just flagging out and breaking out, right? Distribution, we'll see. You got distribution into a very aggressive uptrend, right? So it's like you should be looking for longs mostly. And Bitcoin getting a bid, right? Bitcoin getting a bid, pushing up, looking strong. VWAP holding. Nice trade so far. Continuation out. Beautiful. Can it follow through? Right? We have key resistance in here. Golden pocket 786. Does it, get everybody trapped? Which it's doing. It's trapping longs right now. V-shaped recovery. Right? Does it come into here and change structure? We can look to short it back down. Right? But the long was here. We gave it. We didn't take it. Which is fine. It's been a lot of that on the live stream lately, just giving the setups but not executing well. So it's a lot of, I might just have to take the live streams off and just trade myself. Been a little bit like less trigger happy lately, which is good, but it's also, like when I see it, I should be executing properly, and I failed to do so today, right? SFP of the low, VWAP slap, close above, hammer candle engulfing, off we go, long. It is Friday. I am going to head out, though. I'll send you over to the Piper Academy. What a great week, guys. Incredible. Thank you guys for joining the Discord, all the new members. We're going to jump into the Discord now, go and do some more live trading. God bless you guys. Thank you guys so much for the well wishes with the house and everything. It's been a great week, everybody. Great job navigating the charts. We've done really well this week helping everybody. So I'm thoroughly grateful for you guys helping and supporting the channel. Have a wonderful weekend. Touch some grass, touch some ass, whatever you're into. And I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pair full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.